struggle is real. Is there a shortcut? Have you struggled with getting targeted leads for your business? Using free social media methods? Spending hours at a time promoting different posts and pictures all over social media? Believe me, you're not alone. I have too. Do you keep changing and modifying headlines so that the right prospect will stop scrolling? Yeah, it's pretty comical, but that is what we do. Yeah, by the way, posting all day isn't a free method. We simply pay with our time. You know, copy and pasting posts everywhere. Which, time to me, seems to be more valuable than copy and pasting it away, but whatever. Here's a question. Do you ever see the big internet affiliate marketers posting promotions all over social media all day? Nope. Why? Because time is valuable and they are not wasting it. Do you know how they promote their offers? Yep, you guessed it, they pay. Using solo and Google ads. Well, I've actually tried solo ads and the results were And I always thought that Google ads were too expensive and complicated to learn, and for what these gurus are charging for training would break the bank for me, for sure. Until I found this group that has free training, given by a top internet affiliate marketer. You learn everything from list building to CPA marketing. Yes, they even teach Google AdWords. And guess what? There is a live training coming soon that will be showing shortcuts, tips, and tricks to running successful, affordable Google ad campaigns. I can't wait. It's free to attend. I just wanted to put the word out. So if you're like me and need an alternative to wasting time copying and posting to social media all day for leads, drop a comment or click the link below if you're interested. See you there.